Hello friends and welcome to Learn Easy. This video is based on the derivation of equation of motion. The very first equation of motion, that is V is equal to u plus at. In this video we will be deriving the whole equation graphically. So let's start the video with the introduction to the graph. This graph is the VT graph, that is velocity time graph. Fine. Let's consider a body moving initially, that is moving from by acquiring some initial velocity u. Write what you are letting side by side so that you do not have any problem when you are doing the proving. So u is initial velocity, v is final velocity. Fine. Whenever the body starts moving, it acquires some final velocity v. Fine. In time t seconds, so the time is t. So we have final velocity which is not equal to initial velocity, so there is some acceleration, so a is equal to acceleration. Fine. So now moving back to the graph, we have this thing to be time according to the VT graph. This is the velocity, again due to VT graph, velocity time graph. If this is the final velocity, then this must be the initial velocity. So this is the initial velocity. Fine. The body is uniformly accelerated, so this is equal to this, that is OA is equal to ED is equal to U. Fine. OB is equal to EC is equal to V. OE is equal to T is equal to AD. Fine. Now we are to write about AB. AB is equal to OB minus OA, that is equal to V minus U, is equal to EC minus ED. Fine. We have got this thing. Now as we know that the slope of VT graph gives us the acceleration, that implies the acceleration is therefore the acceleration is given by the VT graph, and also acceleration is also known as the rate of change of velocity. That implies that a acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity, and as it is the rate of change of velocity, we are to put time in the denominator. We have a is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity. Fine. Final velocity, we have it to be OB is equal to OC. Whether you put OB or EC, it's both acceptable. OB minus OA by time is OE. When you are putting these things, then you have to put these things only, and if you are putting these things, then you have to put this time AD. Fine. That implies A is equal to OB is final velocity V minus OA initial velocity U. OE is the time. Therefore now we put this t, we move this t from here to here. We have AT is equal to V minus U, but we do not want negative sign of U. Therefore V is V minus solving this equation, just putting this AT here equal to sign V minus U is equal to AT. We need to remove this negative sign from U. We remove this negative sign by transposing this U here. V is equal to U plus AT. And this is the very first equation of motion. Thank you for watching, and I hope that it was an easy way for you people. And please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, And also comment whatever the topic you want me to make a video on. I will surely make that. I will also accept your negative comments. Thank you.